Good evening to all my wonderful viewers out there, and welcome back to another unboxing video, the series where I unbox my various streetwear, sneaker, and sometimes even jewelry purchases on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing something a little bit different, something music related. What I'm going to be unboxing is the JPEGMAFIA Veterans Director's Cut merch that I picked up from his online store. Yeah, I'm actually super relieved that it rocked up at all. Because I bought what did I actually buy now that I think about it? I bought the 1539 Calvert vinyl. I bought the Veteran ID t-shirt in a 2XL. And then I bought the Veteran Director's Cut cassette tape and Director's Cut vinyl as well. And it's been a bit of a struggle to actually get it, because from my understanding, I bought this stuff in June, and then since June, there's been an issue with the production company that makes the clothing and music merch for JPEGMAFIA, and I guess this happened all during this process where there was a fallout between them, and now he's got a new production company for his merch and things like that. I read that somewhere online. I don't know if it's necessarily true or not, but it took a while. 5 months. And look, I'm just happy that I have it. I'm just thankful that it rocked up. I'm a big fan of JPEGMAFIA. I've seen him live a couple times in Australia, which has been fantastic. Always a great time. And I just remember back in college in like year 11, 12, I was listening to Veteran back then. And I mean, if there was merch back then, I definitely couldn't afford it. And what is it, like almost 10 years on, I can now finally afford some merch from him. So that's been really great. And I really wanted to get the t-shirt with the photo ID on it. A call out to, you know, Old Dirty Bastard from the Wu-Tang Clan. It's just great. It's just great. I really wanted that t-shirt, so I picked it up. And that's one of the few things that I'm going to be unboxing for you today, guys. So let's get into it. Let's unbox this little package that I've got, and let's see what I get. As always, I've got my trusty Crocodile Dundee knife here to unbox everything, which you know, is definitely not a safety hazard waiting to happen. Hopefully no injuries. Make sure you just cut away from yourself every time. That's what you got to do. And I'll get into it. Okay. Comically oversized knife. Chuck that down there. Let's get this open and have a look at the merch. Oh no, I didn't slice the top of the sticky tape here. Let me get into that. Yeah. Oh god, why is it not cutting? Okay. Looks like a blunt knife doesn't help, and also not cutting it correctly doesn't help. Here we are. Alrighty. Lots and lots of paper to start off with. We'll get that out of here. Yes! And here we are. Okay, let me see if I can show you the contents of the box. Here is the contents of the box. We've got the vinyls, we've got the shirt, and we've got the cassette. Let's have a look. So, cassette. Lovely. You wouldn't immediately think JPEGMAFIA, I suppose, but there we go. JPEGMAFIA Veteran. I've been collecting cassettes for a little while now. I paid hundreds of dollars to get these huge cassette racks for my lounge room, and I've been slowly collecting more and more cassettes. It's really hard to get hip-hop albums from the past on cassette. It's such a big collectible, I suppose. But anytime a new album comes out, instead of just buying the vinyl, I'm also buying a cassette if they're offering it as well. Pretty cool. All the track listing is in Japanese or something, because you can see there it is there. I wonder what the actual orange cassette actually has on it. Looks like someone vomiting or someone getting their mouth pissed in. That's crazy. It's one of the two, and you see what I mean? That's crazy. That's crazy. We'll get into this. The shirt, I'm really keen to get this unboxed. You can see the bottom of it there. I'll chuck that down here. Here is the 7-inch for Calvert. There's the front, and I guess there's the back as well. That's an awesome little thing to have. We'll put that down off to the side. And here is the big one, the big item, right? The very hefty, what is it, 2LP? 4LP? It might be a 4LP, because it's got the instrumentals, right? Geez, that's going to be thick. But there we go. The director's cut of the vinyl. It's got a white disc, I think, or a silver disc or something like that. There is the cover art. But we are mainly a streetwear and fashion channel, so I should probably be focusing less on the music stuff and more on the actual merch itself. Let's get into this 2XLT and see how it looks. Where is... It doesn't look like there's anywhere that it can open, so I'm just going to open it up. Here we go here. It's probably going to be massive because this is a 2XL American sizing, so it's going to be absolutely huge. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's actually pretty wide. There is the t-shirt. There is the the Louisiana driver's license, I think. That's crazy. Veteran on it. And I didn't actually know this, but it has veteran on the back as well. There we go. Or I should say it has the driver's license on the back. Holders of this license must be 21 or over. There we go. JPEGMAFIA, 100% cotton, wash cold, hang dry. Always. I don't have a dryer. I think that's a very American thing to have a dryer. Like, I think Australians definitely hang dry all their clothing. But there is the t-shirt. I'm going to try it on. Let's see it on and see how it looks. And here we have the sizing of the t-shirt. So for reference, I will also get this sticker off of it. There we go. For reference, I'm like 6'5", 120 kilos, or maybe even 130 kilos now. And this shirt fits me very, very well. It's very long. If anything, I like the contemporary cut of t-shirts where it's probably more about here. But this is the length. Coming down to like past my crotch, which is quite long for a t-shirt. But it's not overly wide. It's generous. It's not super tight either. I like the sleeve length. It's quite nice there. I'm used to t-shirts with quite a longer sleeve down to about here, but it's nice. 100% cotton. Feels good. Here's the back of it with the driver's license on the back. And here's the front. Obviously, my favorite part. Love t-shirts like this. Chest graphics, I'm a big fan of. I can definitely get around this, but I'll come a bit closer to try and show it off, but the light is reflecting pretty crazily on that white driver's license. But I'm just really happy to have a bit of JPEGMAFIA merch on top of some music merch as well, because I do own a lot of his vinyls and stuff. So having a shirt, that's a great thing to add to the collection as well. But let me know your thoughts on the Peggy merch. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know down in that comment section below. And that is all of it unboxed, guys. We have the cassette, the 7-inch single, and the 4 LP of Veteran Director's Cut. I think it's a 4 LP, or yeah, I think it is, just because the sheer track listing and also it having all the instrumentals. This is gonna be a big vinyl. But a lovely piece. I'll post it on Instagram as soon as I can, but it's great to get some physical media from Peggy and a shirt. Can't lie. I'd love to hear if you guys actually hit the same problem that I did with buying the Veteran Director's Cut merch. Did you guys have to wait like 5 months for it as well? No concerns, like I waited 12 months for that weekend after hours merch that you can see in the background there, that poster. I waited 12 months, so I'm willing to wait a long time for some merch from my favorite artists, absolutely. But yeah, let me know thoughts and opinions on all the merch. The cassette's crazy though. That graphic. I need to actually open it and see if it is like that. That's pretty crazy. I'm really happy with it though, happy that I got the merch, and I'll definitely be posting about it on Instagram soon. Now, if you guys want me to keep covering everything that I'm unboxing and picking up, let me know in the comment section below. Give me the 3 indicators I always ask you for: a like on this video, a comment down below, and a subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're trying to hit a new subscriber milestone of 3,980 subscribers before the end of November. Hopefully with your guys' continuous support, we'll be able to reach that milestone before the end of the month. But that's everything I got to say about this Veteran Director's Cut merch. Very happy to have it, and I'll definitely be picking up some more JPEG merch in the future, especially with him dropping new music every couple years or so. But yeah, that's all I got to say about it, guys. So until the next unboxing video, until the next streetwear talk video, I guess until the next JPEG Mafia video, I'll catch you later.